So we're going to use the I/O. Notice in these I/Os, you have different types of I/Os, digital outputs, robot outputs, group outputs. By the way, that's the icon mode versus non-icon mode. Icon mode is like a newer user interface for the FANUC robot, but almost all robots utilize this standard menuing system.
What is it for?
It's just a different layout. One's more of like a push button style, and the other is more of a just a menu system. They're both menu systems, but this one's like just a more generic version. But this is what I'm used to programming on, and this is what every single FANUC robot will have this exact same menuing system for like the past 30 years. There might be stuff missing there, or there might be additional stuff now, but it's pretty much the exact same layout versus the other one, something that just got released. I mean, maybe it's been like 8 years now, but I still don't use it. So we're gonna go over to instruction, then we're gonna go to the I/O. And if I'm not mistaken, this may not be available in some of the older programs, but this is now available as its own separate instruction. So register is equal to group input. So instruction, I/O, and then we will go down here to the register equal to group input. So a group input would be what's utilized from the PLC.